All polytechnics stay flexible and responsive by being very close to the industries that we are working with and serving. And so we have program advisory committees where we bring industry experts in to advise us on curriculum. We invite some of those industry experts in to teach for us. We put our students in those workplaces to get real-world experience as they're learning with us. I'm David Agnew, President of Seneca. Polytechnic applied research is really all about solving industry problems, and you do that through innovation. And so what our centers do is match an industry problem, usually a small or a medium-sized enterprise that comes to us with a business problem. Maybe they've got a new product, but they can't get it to market. Maybe they've just got a concept and they want to take it to product. Anywhere along that chain. And what we do is put our great faculty and our amazing students together with that entrepreneur, that business owner, and solve that problem. It's really all about innovating. And that's what is at the heart of Polytechnic applied research. Students participate in applied research and of course through work integrated learning, which is such an important part of Polytechnic education, to actually give our students the real world experience of working in the field that they're training for. And so they all get those experiences that allow them to walk very, very confidently into their career right after graduation.